Wake up, McKenna. Why? You gotta wake up. Why? 'Cause you do. Fine, I'll wake up. Okay. I'll make my bed. I'm making my bed, singing a song, making my bed, making my bed, making my bed, making my bed. Okay, now what? I want to go to the store, can we? Sure. Let's get in the car. We're in the car. We're at the store. Okay? Yay! Walk, walk, I'm walking to the store. Ooh, Mom, come here, look at this. Coming. Walking, 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 walking to the store. Okay. What is it? Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Go try it on. Okay, Mom. Let's turn on the light. Take off my dress, put on this one. I'll go show Mom. Okay, Mom, look. How does it look? It looks good. I'll spin. Ooh, it looks nice. Now go change. Okay, Mom. Yay! This is so nice of my mom. I'm getting a dress. You could get it. Now let's go buy it. I would like $50, please. Okay, here you go. Thanks. Have a nice day. Okay, go to bed now, honey. Okay, Mom. I'll get on my new pajamas. I'll unmake my bed and get in my bed. Good night, Mom. Good night, honey. The end.